In today's health alert, the FDA may approve new COVID-19 vaccines as early as this week, according to insiders. This news comes as the U.S. is currently experiencing its biggest summer surge in COVID cases since July of 22. Our chief health editor, Dr. Partha Nandi, is here with more. And Dr. Nandi, which strain are we talking about for these updated vaccines?
It's time again, right? The updated mRNA vaccines from Moderna and Pfizer are set to tackle the KP2 variant. And if the FDA, Glenda, gives the green light, these vaccines could start showing up in pharmacies within a week, and they'll be available at doctors' offices soon after. Now, it's still unclear, right, if Novavax's updated shot will be approved at the same time. Novavax uses a different approach with protein-based technology and targets a different strain, JN1. Protein-based vaccines take longer to produce, so it may take a bit longer before that shot becomes available. But if the FDA approves the Moderna and Pfizer's updated COVID-19 shots this week, it would happen a few weeks earlier than last year. To me, that's great news, especially with COVID levels being high right now. Hospitalizations and deaths have been on the rise, though they're still lower. That's good news than in previous years. Experts say that this summer's surge is driven by new variants and decreasing or waning immunity. The most common strain we're seeing in the U.S. is now KP.3.1.1, which is responsible for about 37% of cases. The variant has tripled in cases over the past month, which is not good.
So should people wait to get this updated vaccine? I know you can do it with the flu shot or just get it when it's available.
Yeah, lots of these questions, right? So with kids heading back to school, Glenda, the virus to me has more opportunity to spread. That puts people like me, parents, grandparents, and others at risk. Back in June, the CDC recommended that anybody over 6 months of age get the updated COVID-19 vaccine along with the flu shot this year. Usually people get the flu shots in the fall, right? So as the CDC recommends that everyone get the vaccine by the end of October. However, with COVID cases already high and kids returning to the classroom, getting an updated vaccine earlier is a good idea, especially for those at higher risk. I have 3 boys heading back to school, so I will be getting the shot as soon as it's available so I can help avoid infection and spreading that infection to other people. In the meantime, wearing an N95 or KN95 mask in crowded indoor spaces is a good precaution. It's also a good idea to keep a couple of these COVID tests at home, right? That way, if anyone develops symptoms, you can quickly test and take steps to reduce the spread in your household. Remember, some folks can spread the virus even without symptoms, right? So the best way to protect yourself is to get vaccinated as soon as those new shots for COVID are available. And I'll be there, I always do, because it's not always just like, am I going to be okay? It's the people that I'm next to, right? I'm talking to a patient who's elderly and I'm talking to other folks, so I don't want them to get sick. It's about protecting others and not just thinking about yourself.
Thanks for that. It's encouraging to hear you say that, Doc.
Yeah, I'll be there. Maybe I'll see you there.
All right. If you have a health question for the good doctor, you can email him, Dr. Nandi, at AskDrNandi.com, or send it to us on Facebook or X. We'll get it right to him.